Hey everyone, welcome back to our podcast, English in Daily Life.
Hello, friends. We are so happy you are here today. How are you feeling?
Today's topic is very fun and useful. At the gym.
Yes, we will learn simple English phrases you can use at the gym.
Even if you don't go to the gym, don't worry. This will still help your daily English.
And remember, don't be shy. Speak with us.
Listen, repeat, and practice. You are improving already.
Also, don't forget to like and follow our podcast for more simple English lessons.
All right, let's start.
Part 1. Entering the gym. Okay, Ronald, I go to the gym. What should I say first?
Good question. You can say, "Hi, I want to join the gym."
Nice. Let's repeat together. Hi, I want to join the gym.
Again, a little slower. I want to join the gym.
Good job.
Another sentence. How much is the membership?
Repeat with me. How much is the membership?
Great. Membership means the money you pay to use the gym.
Example. My membership is for 1 month.
Say it. My membership is for 1 month.
Part 2. Talking about workout.
Now you're inside the gym. What can you say?
You can say, I am working out.
Repeat. I am working out.
Simple and useful.
Another one. I am doing exercise.
Repeat again. I am doing exercise.
Good. Both sentences mean the same.
Example. I am working out every day.
Say it. I am working out every day. Part 3. Talking about workout equipment.
Now, let's talk about gym machines.
Yes. For example, this machine is heavy.
Repeat. This machine is heavy.
Or you can say, this is easy.
Repeat. This is easy.
Example, this machine is easy for me.
Say it. This machine is easy for me.
Good job. You're doing great. Part 4, asking for help.
What if I don't understand something?
You can ask, can you help me?
Repeat. Can you help me?
Very useful sentence.
Another one. How do I use this?
Repeat. How do I use this?
Example. How do I use this machine?
Say it. How do I use this machine? Part 5, talking to a trainer.
Let's talk to a trainer.
You can say, I want to get fit.
Repeat. I want to get fit.
Or, I want to lose weight.
Say it. I want to lose weight.
Another one, I want to build muscle.
Repeat. I want to build muscle.
Great. These are very common sentences.
Part 6. Taking breaks.
Working out is hard.
Yes. So you can say, I need a break.
Repeat. I need a break.
Or, I am tired.
Say it. I am tired. Example, I am tired. I need a break.
Repeat. I am tired. I need a break.
Part 7, after workout.
Workout finished. What now?
You can say, that was a good workout.
Repeat. That was a good workout.
Or, I feel good.
Say it. I feel good.
Example, I feel good after exercise.
Repeat. I feel good after exercise.
Part 8, real conversation practice. Now let's do a full conversation. Listen first.
Okay.
Hi. Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go every day.
Nice. What do you do?
I do exercise and use machines.
Do you need help?
Yes, how do I use this?
I can help you.
Thank you. Now let's repeat together.
Hi. Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go every day.
What do you do?
I do exercise and use machines.
Do you need help?
Yes, how do I use this?
I can help you.
Thank you. Amazing. You are speaking English.
See? It's not difficult. Just practice. Part 9. Talking about time at the gym.
Yes, this is very useful.
You can say, I go to the gym in the morning.
Repeat. I go to the gym in the morning.
Or, I go in the evening.
Say it. I go in the evening.
Example, I go to the gym at 7 p.m.
Repeat slowly. I go to the gym at 7 p.m.
Good job. Part 10, talking about frequency.
How often do you go to the gym?
You can say, I go every day.
Repeat. I go every day.
Or, I go 3 times a week.
Say it. I go 3 times a week.
Example, I go to the gym twice a week.
Repeat. I go to the gym twice a week.
Great. Twice means 2 times.
Part 11, talking about body parts.
Now let's learn body parts. You can say, I train my arms.
Repeat. I train my arms.
Or, I train my legs.
Say it. I train my legs.
Example, today I train my chest.
Repeat. Today I train my chest.
Nice. Keep going.
Part 12, talking about pain.
Sometimes we feel pain after exercise.
Yes, you can say, my body hurts. Repeat, my body hurts.
Or, my legs are sore.
Say it, my legs are sore.
Example, my arms are sore today.
Repeat, my arms are sore today.
Good job. You are learning real English.
Part 13, asking simple questions.
Now let's ask questions.
You can say, are you using this?
Repeat. Are you using this?
Very common in the gym. Another one, can I use this?
Repeat. Can I use this?
Example, can I use this machine?
Say it. Can I use this machine?
Part 14, talking about sets and reps.
Now a little gym vocabulary. You can say, I do 10 reps.
Repeat, I do 10 reps.
Or, I do 3 sets.
Say it, I do 3 sets.
Example, I do 3 sets of 10 reps.
Repeat slowly, I do 3 sets of 10 reps.
Great! That is real gym English.
Part 15, talking about goals.
Why do you go to the gym? You can say, I want to stay healthy.
Repeat, I want to stay healthy.
Or, I want to be strong.
Say it, I want to be strong.
Example, I want to feel better.
Repeat, I want to feel better.
Part 16, drinking water.
Water is very important.
Yes, you can say, I need water.
Repeat, I need water.
Or, I am drinking water.
Say it, I am drinking water.
Example, I drink water after exercise.
Repeat, I drink water after exercise.
Part 17, motivation talk.
Sometimes we feel lazy.
Yes, but we must stay strong.
You can say, let's go.
Repeat, let's go.
Or, keep going.
Say it, keep going.
Example, you can do it.
Repeat, you can do it. Part 18, gym conversation practice. Long. Now, listen to a longer conversation.
Okay.
Hi, do you go to the gym in the morning?
Yes, I go every day.
What do you train?
I train my arms and legs.
Nice. How many sets do you do?
I do 3 sets of 10 reps.
Great. Are you using this machine?
No, you can use it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now repeat together.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go every day.
I train my arms.
I do 3 sets.
Are you using this machine?
You can use it.
Thank you.
Very good.
You are speaking longer sentences now.
Part 19. Listening and speaking drill.
Listen first. I go to the gym in the evening.
Now you say it.
Again, I go to the gym in the evening.
Next one. I train my legs. Repeat.
Next, I need a break. Repeat.
The last one. I feel good. Repeat.
Excellent.
Wrap up. Let's quickly review today's phrases.
I want to join the gym. I am working out. How do I use this? I need a break. I feel good.
Repeat them again later. Practice makes you better.
You are improving step by step. Keep going.
We're proud of you.
Now, a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments. Do you go to the gym? What exercise do you like?
We would love to know.
See you next time.